Hey everybody, welcome to another installment of Brad Cook Stuff. So, this week I decided I would go outside my comfort zone and try something I haven't actually made before. Managed to get myself some half-price lamb, and I thought it might be nice to fry that up and see if it's any good. And as for a side dish, I've got something that I brought back from America that I think would be a nice little bit of filler. So, this week we're having a little bit of lamb and stuffing. All right, let's take a look at the ingredients and see what we're working with. Here are the ingredients for tonight's dish. So we have some sliced lamb, as well as a carrot and a package of jalapeno cornbread stuffing mix. All right, that's really all we need. Let's go ahead and see to the carrot. So we start with this carrot here. I'm going to go ahead and cut off the end here. All right, and we're going to peel what's left. All right, I think that'll be done with that. Now, let's go ahead and grate this up. All right, let's go ahead and grate this carrot into the bowl here. All right, that's my grated carrot. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to our side dish for a minute. So we'll make some of this jalapeno cornbread. All right, there we go. We need to put in a whole bunch of butter. We'll use most of what I got here. There we go. Go. And 1.5 cups of water. All right, just need to microwave it. All right, for the lamb, we're going to go ahead and set this to maximum and heat it to as hot as we can get it before we add anything. I think that is suitably heated. Let's go ahead and drop some butter into it here. Oh, look at that. All right, everything I've read about lamb says that it needs to be on a high heat for a short time. So I'm going to go ahead and drop it in here quickly and for not very long. Ready? Use a little bit of adobo on this. There we go. All right, let's flip this over real quick. Oh, look at that. Okay, a little bit more adobo. You know what? I think that's done. All right, we'll take that right off the heat. That's all we're going to cook it. So we're going to take some of this carrot and we're going to make ourselves a nice little bed. All right, there we go. And there should be enough there. Okay, I've got some lamb over a bit of shredded carrot, and I've got some of this jalapeno cornbread stuffing. Let's go ahead and have some dinner. All right, moment of truth. I have here a bed of shredded carrot with some lamb that I fried up with a little bit of adobo seasoning on top, and a huge bowl of jalapeno cornbread stuffing. I'm not going to eat all of it tonight, but we'll go ahead and try this out. Let's give it a try and see how it tastes. Oh man, I don't really have a lot of experience eating lamb, so let's give it a try. Okay, that is delicious. That is really, really tender. And the seasoning I put on there really makes it pop. I need another bite of this. Let's get a little bit of extra carrot on this. All right, there we go. Let's see carrot, and then spear some lamb. Okay, that's amazing. I feel like I've been missing out for years not eating lamb. This is really, really good. I'm gonna need a bite. I think I'm gonna need to cleanse the palate here. Get a bite of this jalapeno cornbread stuffing. There we go. Oh, man. Oh, that's nice. It's definitely flavorful and it's very filling. It is good stuff. And I can tell it's a little bit spicy. Not that spicy, at least not to me, but yeah, it's a little spice in it. But really, we're going to need another bite of this lamb with carrot. Oh, man. I am honestly impressed with how good this stuff is. Seriously, it's excellent. It's very tender. It's really flavorful. It doesn't taste gamey or anything like that. Even the carrot tastes good with a little bit of the juice on it. Man, that is nice. And of course, we have this lovely stuffing, which didn't take really anything. I just had to put in some butter and hot water. That was about it. I really like that. That's nice. But the star of the show is this lamb with a shredded carrot bed. So the whole thing tonight was I found some lamb marked half price. Decided, yeah, I've never tried this before. Let's see if I can make it any good. And figured I'd put it over a bit of shredded carrot for something colorful and also healthy. And honestly, I think that has made all the difference. I really don't eat lamb, but I feel like I should have been eating it a whole lot longer than today. Anyway, I have really one more piece of this left, plus a little bit of the bed, plus a giant bowl of the stuffing, which I'm gonna have a little bit more of tonight, and the rest of which I'll eat at another time. But as always, appreciate you guys stopping in, and we'll see you in the next video. Mm. 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 Mm.